Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Amira Zakrid, and I'm here to share with you how to use Memrise, the app Memrise. It's a free app, so that we would work on our Arabic, inshallah. So simply Google it, Memrise, and I believe there is app on the phone as well, but I haven't, to be honest, I haven't explored it. So let us start with this one, because there is a tricky thing that I would like to share with you here. So Google Memrise, and this is the one that you are looking for. This one, the one with the yellow logo like this. This is the one we need. So let us click on it. And then, as I mentioned, it is for free, but you can upgrade if you like. It's up to you, but it's simply, you can use it as free and get lots of benefit of it first. Let us get started here. And then let us choose courses. Now, if you look at courses here, you're not going to find any Arabic. Okay, and this is where the trick is. So let us go down a little bit and click here on languages. Again, there is no Arabic. So what we need is Middle Eastern languages, and here comes Arabic. So it's Arabic, it's a little bit, it's hidden. I don't know why. And it's a shame, because it's one of the biggest and most important languages, and one of the United Nations languages as well. So anyway, here it is, the Arabic. Let us click on it. When we click on it here, we're going to find lots of vocabulary that we can practice. And also the app has covered lots of the books that lots of you work on. So we have Mastering Arabic one. We have Medina book, all the book one, and there is more. Al-Kitab is here. I don't really use Al-Kitab, but it is still here. There are some dialects here, but I don't do dialects, but still they are here. We have Quranic verbs. We have lots of Quranic material here that you can benefit from. Lots of books are here that we can, Al-Arabiya Bayna Yadayk, lots of verbs, lots of Arabic. All these are material, and this is one of the things that I would like you to look at. So Mastering Arabic 1, I do have a Quizlet for it, and it's here, by the way, also. But Mastering Arabic 2. So if we click on Unit 3, for example, now you're going to have a list of vocabulary to work on. And by saying learn these words, the app or the website will start helping you to work on these vocabulary that is included in Unit 3 for Mastering Arabic 2 by lots of quizzes and lots of games and stuff like that. So I would like you to use this. My students who are doing some of these books, I will send you this this video to show you how to access or to find the book that we are working, because there are lots of books that we are working which are available here. But still, also you can use this to explore some of this material on your own. So you have Arabic conversation, for example. You have Quranic vocabulary from Juz 1, the first Juz, to the 10th. So simply, it can be used either to work on one of the books that we are already studying together, or to use it for self-study, exploring the material that is here. Have a look at it, try it, and explore, and have fun. Enjoy your time exploring all this material, and come back if you have any questions. If you face any problem, please let me know. I will be happy to help. Thank you so much. I hope to hear from you about your experience with this. Assalamu alaikum.